Countries all around the world are in race against time to find a vaccine for the cure of COVID-19 disease. With over 6.5 million confirmed cases across the world, a perfect vaccine is the need of the hour for India as well as countries world over. Despite forming alliances and investing their valuable human resources, money and technology, it is being said that we're at least a year away from finding a perfect vaccine for the cure of this disease. But do we all know what are vaccines and how do they work? If yes, good. If no, don't worry, we'll discuss in this video. Basically, vaccines work alongside the immune system of our body. So, for us to understand the working procedure of vaccines, we need to know what is the immune system, how it works. In simple words, immune system is like a defense system for our bodies. It consists of a network of cells and proteins that defend the body against any infection. It basically works like an archive or a record book in our body. What it does is, it keeps a record of every germ or microbe that it has ever defeated. This memory helps the immune system quickly recognize and destroy the microbe if it enters the body ever again. The main parts of our body's immune system are white blood cells, antibodies, complement system, lymphatic system, the spleen and the bone marrow. These parts together help our immune system fight actively against any infection. The working is pretty simple. See, when a disease-causing germ, for example a virus, a bacteria or any other pathogen for that matter, enters your body, the immune system performs the following tasks. First and foremost, it recognizes the germ as being foreign, that is, it is not belonging to the body. And after confirmation, the immune system responds by making special proteins called as antibodies. And the main task of these antibodies is to destroy these foreign germs. And the last and most significant function of the immune system is to remember these germs and how they were destroyed. And that way, if you are ever exposed to the same disease germ in the future, your immune system can quickly destroy it before it has a chance to make you sick. And this protection is called as immunity. So what are vaccines? Vaccines are nothing but biological substances which, when fed into our bodies, demand the release of antibodies from the immune system of our bodies. Basically, a vaccine carries a weakened form of a virus, a bacteria or maybe any pathogen which causes disease. This weakened pathogen is not so strong enough to cause any disease to our bodies, but it is strong enough to be recognized by the immune system of our bodies. So in its weakened form, this pathogen helps the immune system of our bodies to produce specific antibodies against this pathogen and help remember in the future. So if in future, by chance the active version of this pathogen enters the body, the immunity system of our body is well in position to fight off these pathogens. So this is the basic funda of working of vaccines. Vaccines can be both prophylactic or therapeutic. They are called prophylactic when they are used to build the immunity in a patient or prevent any disease. Parallelly, they are called therapeutic when they are used to treat the disease. That is, when they are used in the treatment of a person who has already been infected or is under the infection of a disease. Best example for prophylactic vaccine is the polio vaccine. Every child is administered the polio vaccine even when they are not infected by the polio virus. The vaccine contains a weakened form of polio virus and helps child's immunity system to remember these antigens. On the other hand, the therapeutic vaccine works by activating the immune system of the patient. The best example in this case would be the therapeutic vaccine against HIV. See, HIV has no vaccine till now. So, the role of vaccine here is to enhance the immunity system of the patient to fight off the HIV virus. So far, with the help of vaccines, we have successfully eradicated two infectious diseases. They are smallpox and rinderpest. Vaccines come in various different categories, but they are broadly classified into two. They are live attenuated vaccines, second killed or inactive vaccines. So let us take up one by one. Firstly, we have live attenuated vaccine. As the name suggests, this vaccine carries live pathogen, but it is greatly attenuated or weakened. This means this live pathogen is diluted or weakened to such an extent which does not cause any disease or illness to our body. Some examples for this include the vaccines against measles, BCG vaccines or the vaccines for smallpox. They all used live attenuated vaccines. The second category is killed or inactive vaccines, which use inactive or killed pathogens, or they may also use parts of these pathogens like proteins or sugar to induce immune response in our body. these pathogens are killed or made inactive by exposing them to high temperatures. And apart from these two, other types of vaccines include toxoid vaccines and recombinant vaccines. Right now, vaccines against the COVID-19 are being developed using spike protein which is available on the surface of SARS-CoV-2. The SARS-CoV-2 virus infects our body by binding these spike proteins to cells in our bodies. So the plan here is to use the part of these proteins or the SARS-CoV-2 virus and help our body produce antibodies against the COVID-19 disease.